Transform your salads with homemade dressings that are both healthy and delicious. By making your own dressings, you control the ingredients, ensuring fresh flavors and avoiding unnecessary preservatives and additives. Welcome to Healthy Bites. And in this video, I am going to show you a secret trick that restaurants do that you can copy to take your salads to the next level. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about making your own delicious dressings at home. Homemade dressings offer significant health benefits. They are free from artificial flavors and unhealthy fats commonly found in store-bought versions. You can tailor the ingredients to meet specific dietary needs and preferences. To create basic dressings, you'll need essential ingredients like olive oil, vinegar, mustard, honey, and lemon juice. Fresh herbs, garlic, and salt can enhance the flavor and add complexity. Preparing a vinaigrette is simple. Start by whisking together vinegar and mustard, then slowly add olive oil while continuing to whisk. This creates a smooth and emulsified mixture, perfect for drizzling. A classic vinaigrette combines olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey. Whisk these ingredients together and season with salt and pepper for a versatile and flavorful dressing. Creating a classic vinaigrette is simple and requires only a few basic steps. Start by combining vinegar and mustard, then slowly whisk in olive oil until the mixture emulsifies beautifully. A simple recipe for a classic vinaigrette includes 3 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix until well combined for a tangy delight. For creamy dressing alternatives, consider using yogurt or avocado. These ingredients add a luscious texture and a nutritious boost, transforming ordinary salads into satisfying, wholesome meals everyone will enjoy. It's personally my favorite. A creamy yogurt-based dressing is easy to make. Blend plain yogurt with lemon juice, a touch of honey, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt for a refreshing, tangy dressing. Herbs and spices can dramatically enhance the flavor of your dressings. Fresh or dried, they add depth and aroma, turning a simple dressing into a gourmet experience with minimal effort. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Honey mustard dressing combines sweetness and tanginess with a hint of spice, creating a versatile flavor profile. It pairs well with various salads, adding zest and complexity to any dish. Don't forget, proper storage of homemade dressings is essential for maintaining freshness. Use airtight containers and refrigerate promptly. Most dressings last about a week, ensuring you enjoy them at their best. Pairing dressings with salads enhances flavors. A balsamic vinaigrette complements mixed greens, while creamy avocado dressings enrich bold, hearty salads. Tailor each dressing to the salad's ingredients for harmony. Adjusting dressings for dietary needs is simple. Substitute honey with maple syrup for vegan options or use gluten-free soy sauce. Tailor ingredients to match your dietary preferences without sacrificing flavor. Sesame ginger dressing offers a delightful Asian-inspired twist. Its nutty, spicy notes are perfect for salads with crunchy vegetables or grilled chicken, adding a refreshing and exotic touch to your meal. Mastering salad dressings includes tackling common issues like separating ingredients. To prevent this, ensure proper emulsification by whisking slowly. For overly tangy dressings, balance with a touch of sweetness. Homemade dressings enhance meals with fresh flavors and health benefits, offering endless customization possibilities. Experiment with these recipes to transform your salads into vibrant culinary experiences, rich in taste and nutrition. Dive into the world of homemade salad dressings and elevate your meals. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen and enjoy the satisfaction of crafting delicious, healthier alternatives to store-bought options. We invite you to subscribe for more insightful, healthy cooking tips and tricks. Share your unique dressing creations in the comments, inspiring others to explore the flavorful journey of homemade dressings.